I'm outside right now, standing in front of my barn, and I think I'll show you. I'll show you what's in my barn. But first, before I show you what's in my barn, I think I'll clean. There it is. My horse's foot. Now I'll climb it. I'll climb it. Let's hope I don't drop my phone in horse crap. Yeah? Yeah, Sierra? Are you hoping I drop my phone in your poop? And your pee? Yeah? I don't know what that means. I don't even know if I got her. I don't know how to use this. Oh, gross. I'm sinking. I'm sinking. It's a little better over here. You just peed, didn't you? I just don't want to sink in to all this poop. It's Sierra. She broke her coffin bone, so now we can't ride her. But my little sister is the one that takes care of her because she's basically her horse now. But she's been at a friend's house past couple days, so we forgot to give her medicine. We gave it to her this morning. And now we need to clean out her foot to relieve pressure. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Kind of need both my hands. Well, I will figure it out. Let me figure it out. I'll be back in just a second. I think that'll work. Stop judging me, Sierra. Let me clean your foot out, okay? Come here. I gotta clean it out. Come on. I can't see. My hair's in the way. Come on. Lift your foot. Don't lean on me. Okay, there. Is that better? I know you want to lean on me when Jeez, that chicken is I got a lot of it out. She doesn't want me to do anymore. She was trying to lay down on me. I'll be back in another second. Look at how much she missed her friend.
She was too busy trying to get love and attention from the geldings.
Yeah, I bet.
Hey, Misty.
She was lonely. Oh, geez, be careful. Don't break your other coffin bone. Then we'll have to put you down. She's like, I missed you. You were only gone for like 20 minutes. Ah! She sees herself in this. She's like confused.
Come here, baby.
She's like, I want to come with you.
No, I'm sorry. It would have been you on that ride if you didn't break your...
Coffin bone.
Yeah.
Is a coffin bone kind of like a wrist for a horse?
It's in her hoof.
Yeah, like I don't know,
smell
right
like
here.
gelding? Yeah. Kind
Yeah,
of
so it's kind of like her wrist a little bit. Or like her palm.
Does she smell like gelding? She was living up against Roy, your boyfriend, Sierra.
What, Roy's her boyfriend?
Yeah.
Do her and Roy get along?
Her and Roy, they're inseparable. Her and Gunner are inseparable.
Was Gunner riding with you guys too?
No. He's at home. I gotta go on tack.
Okay. She'll be back. Oh, is she in heat? Is that why she's putting her tail up? I think they're both in heat, and that's why they're acting weird. I know. She's coming back. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing. No. Ah. I'm just gonna throw that over there. I'll be back in a second.
Get rashes right here.
Yeah, from riding so much. She's like, too much information. Anyway, I'm gonna pause this. Well, anyway, now time to show you what's in the bar. Oh, wait. I had to climb the fence.